Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your part selection and information that can be found under the panel or parts and sheets panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back to the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the preview section for this mini-series, and now we're going to be looking at the parts selection and information. So that can be found right beneath it. And then I'm just going to zoom in here for you guys so you can have a better look. So now the first thing is we've got on top here titles, you can say, that separate what we're looking at underneath that. And then also we can check here at the bottom, we've got a little slider bar which we can go sideways, and then we've got more information available. So that is something to keep in mind. So it's not just the full info you can get, but there is more. And then also you can just simply select the part and then it will highlight that part. So if you want to add a new one, you would select that, or remove one, you'll select that on the actual 3D viewport. So now this is to make sure it is selected, it will be blue, and obviously the preview on top will change. Now when it comes to the actual information for these things, the first option we have is number. So this will be number 1, number 2. So this is not how many numbers there is of it. It's not the quantity, but rather how it's ordered. So this one is our first shape we've got. It's the red circle, and then we've got this weird hexagon looking thing as our second shape. Then next up we've got name. So now you can give it custom names when you add the parts, but I currently just left it at the default. So if I have to find the part again, it's easy to use. So I know, okay, this is P13, P10, and so forth. And then after that we've got quantity nesting, and then next to that we've got manual nesting. So if you're manually going to add the parts, you'll say how many, and then like we mentioned before, if you go on the top left here by the preview, you can see we've got 4 out of 10, and by manual quantity we can see we've got 10 overall. Now if I go to the next two options, if I zoom in here, this will be information about your actual material that it is for. So we can see the thickness of the material is 1, and then we also have material which is steel. So now we know, okay, this is for the steel materials, not aluminium or stainless steel. And we also have the thickness. But yeah, so that is it on your selection and information. So just a quick recap again. So selection, we simply click on the one we want and it will be highlighted in blue. And obviously you will also see a preview of it. So that's how you know you have the right one selected. So when you add it to your actual 3D viewport, you don't add the wrong one. And then when it comes to information, we can look on top here. What are we looking at? And then the value will be underneath that. Otherwise, that is it on the selection and information. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.